What is going on, everybody? So I pretty much took a trade here on US30, but before I explain to you as to why I actually decided to go ahead and take this trade on my funding pips account, which the trade is up right now $517. That's pretty much what it's floating. Let's go over this entry, right? So before we do that, let's go ahead and look at some structure here, right? So as you're seeing here, US30 on the 4-hour breaks out all-time highs and price discovery, right? Comes down and forms a higher low, right? Pulls up again, retraces, higher low here. So on this discount zone, I decided to go in on the 4-hour order block, pretty much, right? So I took this long. Once the order block pretty much topped in, it got me into the trade right here. And my TP, I'm aiming for this level right here, swing high for about 204 points by the end of the day. So let's pretty much see how this works out. Either way, I'm super comfortable taking this trade because we are trending upwards and I'm trading with the trend. So yeah. Yeah, guys, so if this trade pretty much pans out, I'm aiming for a TP of $1,836. So let's see how this pretty much goes. I did enter on the 4-hour because I believe that I missed the 15-minute. If we go to the 15-minute, I actually wanted, what was this? No, that was on Monday. I actually wanted this entry right here, but I didn't go ahead and get that because I was doing something else. But as we all know, price is fractal, so what's happening on the 4-hour is just pretty much macro. So I decided to go to the 4-hour chart and I was able to find my entry here. So I'm aiming for a TP of 1,800 something. Right now we are floating $687, which is not bad, which is not bad at all. So yeah, if you have any questions about my charting analysis, how I got into trading, pretty much just let me know. I've been specifically trading US30 now every day consistently for about the last I would say last 6 months or so. I started with Euro USD, and I started to learn how to trade in 2023 in Bangkok. I was pretty much by myself, and I was kind of put in a corner where like I needed to make something happen. I was going through a transition. I was going through a career change, and I needed a career that would allow me to support my family. And basically this was the last stop for me. I've been an entrepreneur. I started applications with my brother. I dove deep into e-commerce. I did that for a while. It went well, but I reached a point where like I was kind of in a place where like I didn't want my income to depend on people, right? I wanted my income to depend, to just be completely free of consumers. right? And this industry just pretty much just fit me like a glove, and I decided to go ahead and just take on the challenge. And so far, it's been a roller coaster. It's been up and down, as you guys all know. You know, when you start trading for the first time, you know, like you're overcoming a lot of emotional hurdles. You know, so it took me some time to just really grow into myself and to understand that I'm a pro, and I truly understand how to read these charts, and I have a sense for what I'm actually doing, you know. So yeah, that's pretty much my journey so far up until this point. But we're in this trade, guys, and we are floating $587. I'm aiming for on this TP level right up there. In this, we could actually call this a 4-hour OB here too. You know, a 4-hour bearish OB. So let's see how this trade turns out. Whether I win or lose, I'm very confident in this trade because it's going with the actual trend. I took it at a discount level, and basically right now the market makers are just bringing the chart back up to premium prices. So let's hope that our TP gets hit. I do have my TP set right up here. We are floating $557. Equity is at 100,287. If you're trading with capital.com, that level for TP will come in at 40,759. The entry that I took was at 40,587. Yeah, so I'll probably be streaming for 30 minutes to an hour, most likely. To be frank with you, if I see $1,000 on this trade, I might just TP there and take that. But let's let it play out. Let's see how we're looking on the 15-minute here. 15-minute is having a nice retrace back up to these levels. You see, like, that's what I'm aiming for, is this swing high right here. That's literally my TP zone, so we could actually bring that down here. And just for the record, like, if you're aiming to TP, like, just always put your TP a little lower to where you're actually anticipating to TP. That actually has worked out for me now. Back when I first started, I would place my TP at at that same exact zone, and reality is that it doesn't hit that same exact zone all the time, right? So it's kind of like a projection as to where, like what area you want to exit, you know. um, so let's just stay in trade. So as you're seeing, guys, we're tapping into this level right here, wicked here, retrace, wicked here. So this is a little bit of resistance here, but we're still trending up, right? So quite frankly, let me see something. I'm still floating what? I'm floating 577, 566. We have the 4-hour candle opening up in a bit. Formed this giant. Yeah, I'm staying in this trade. Whether I win or lose, I'm totally fine with that. Because as you could see here, like we had a lot of buy pressure, right? And it literally rose like this massive wake up here. So I'm staying in this trade no matter what, man. Whatever happens, right? We'll wait. Welcome to the channel, everybody. Welcome. My name is Louis Prez, and I am a full-time trader. My instrument is US30, and pretty much I took this trade here at this 4-hour bullish OB. I waited for it to pretty much retrace right into this zone right here. At that zone, the trade pretty much got activated, and I'm targeting this swing high right up here. Right now, if we take a look at the structure of the actual chart, right, we will quickly see, you know, that first of all, a new 4-hour candle has printed, and this massive wick here shows a lot of buy pressure, right? But on top of that, if we take a look at market structure, we'll see that we are trending up. Macro, we are trending up pretty much, right? So US30 broke into price discovery here, made all-time highs, came back down, higher low here. So I am targeting this zone up here. I got into the trade at a discount. So that's pretty much my breakdown on my trade idea. So let's stay with it. And right now I am floating $727, and I'm aiming to TP at about 1,800 for the day. Floating $800. Floating $800 now. So we're looking on the 15 here. 15 is looking good. We are breaking structure to the upside. Come on, keep pushing, baby, keep pushing. Keep pushing. All you gotta do is just keep pushing a little bit, right? There we go. We're at 847. It's breaking structure to the upside. We are targeting this zone right here, and we're aiming for a nice TP. Nice TP. And as a matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and make this a risk-free trade. So I'm gonna go ahead and raise my stop to pretty much break even on this trade here. Boom, risk-free trade. I'm at break even now. 900, 947 guys. TP should be coming in soon. TP should be coming in soon. Come on. Keep pushing, baby. Keep pushing. Floating 1,067, 1,087. All right. Thinking about calling it a day. 1,157. But we broke structure, so I'm gonna go ahead and continue to hold this baby. There you go. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see. You know what, guys? This is a good day, so I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day. Done. Trade complete, guys. We are out of the trade. We are out of the trade. And I'm pretty sure that I left some money on the table. I'm pretty sure I left some money on the table. That's a fact. Either way, I am very, very comfortable with my TP. You know, I went ahead and I grabbed this for 124 points. I can't be mad about that, man. That's a 1-to-1. That's a 1-to-1. I cannot be mad about that. Now, it's going to be interesting to see if it goes to my exact TP zone or higher. Up. Also, guys, if you're interested in joining my Discord, the Discord link pretty much is, I believe it's on my YouTube. Let me go ahead and come here real quick. This is actually a payout that I just got approved for by Apex, so that's pretty cool. Let me actually go ahead and let me grab close positions. I mean, like, who could be mad about $1,000 day? Like, that makes no sense. Yo, what up? How are you, man? The realist. What's going on, man? How are you? How are you, man? Join the Discord so we can stay in touch. Either way, let me go ahead and place these profits pretty much in my Discord. Let me go ahead and upload file recent. There we go. That was screenshotted to 11 p.m. That's it. Definitely put that up there so for whoever joins. I am starting a community. Congrats. If you're feeling perfect, that means that you're onto it, man. I don't know who I'm talking to, but if you haven't joined my YouTube, go ahead and subscribe. But we are definitely going up. If you are who I think you are, the realist, you know, we're gonna go to Monaco 2025. But ooh, yeah, you bought US30 in about 40,000 and holding to previous highs. That's a hell of a swing. But looking at the structure here, man, I mean, it is a valid trade, because if we come down here, right? You see this right here? If you see this level right here, we did form higher lows, right? So a great entry would most likely, well, let's actually focus on the daily, because you are trading daily, right? So right at this swing low here would be the perfect entry to go ahead and just cash that all the way to the top. Which it seems like that was your entry, 40,000. Damn, bro, that's fire. That's fire entry. That's a fire freaking entry, man. Wow. That's a fire entry, bro. Yeah, man. Good for you, man. Yeah, that's oof. You're gonna make some bread now. You're gonna be up. Let's see. You're gonna be up. Well, tomorrow we do have tomorrow we have non-farm, right? Let me see. Tomorrow is going to be a very interesting day, because we have that folder that's popping up, right? We have that folder opening tomorrow. Yeah. And we have FOMC tomorrow. So that's going to be interesting, you know, in what direction that pulls the charts. But according to the trend, your trade is 100% valid. Like, if you got in right here, woof, that's valid. That's valid. Worst case, what I would do, so that it's a free ride, worst case, I would just place my stop at break even, you know, just in case FOMC wants to do some craziness, you know what I mean? Exactly. If FOMC flips everything upside down and we break this key level right here, oh man, I am bearish all the way. If this breaks right here, I'm bearish all the way to this swing low right here. coming in at 38,000. Why I personally didn't take that trade that you took was because of tomorrow FOMC. Now if it's bullish, then hey bro, you banked hard, because you literally caught the bottom of that whole entire. Yeah. Like on the daily, we have nice support here, right? Coming in right there. And we have support also in this area right here, you know. So I mean, price can come down here and continue to trend upward as well, because if we look at the structure, right, you know, it swang up here, right, all-time high and price discovery, you know, and then it came down here, higher low. The, you know, last level of support, if this breaks, I would say is this consolidation area right here. Yeah, man, you got it. I wish you the best of luck, and don't forget to subscribe, bro. I'll be on every day, Monday through Thursday. I'll be on. I just started this channel maybe about like 2 days ago. But I'll be on Monday through Thursday from 8:30 to 10:30. All right. So peace, man. We stay in touch. Damn, my TP hit right on the money. I got out a little too early. But you know what? It's Tuesday. The markets were, you know, a little choppy chop. So, but hey, man, hey, all I care about is that my analysis is on point. As long as that's on point, you can't mess with me. You can't mess with me. And it's on point today. Likewise, the realist, likewise. Good luck to you too, man. Yo, what's going on? If you're just tuning in, um, the realist and I have been chatting, you know what I mean? And pretty much I decided to take this trade right here. I saw that price came down to a discount zone. If I pull my fib up, what's happening to my fibs, man? What the hell is that fib? If we look at this range right here, right, price dropped below it, so we were at a discount at that point, right? And then price tapped into this 4-hour OB, so I decided to go ahead and take a long, and I opened up a long right in this zone right here, stop loss right underneath that OB, and I targeted this swing high right up here. But the realist, he's been in this trade, like he caught the bottom of the move, and the realist is pretty much in here. So he got in at about 40,000, and he's targeting these swing highs right here, coming in at 41,261 on capital.com. But today so far has been an amazing day. I did scalp the 9:30 open too, but man, the open today opened up crazy. I'm talking about like that open today, man. I was like, is that even real? Like, we had this massive, I'm talking about massive. Whoa, what you doing there, man? Come back. Whoa, come back. We had this massive 3-minute candle right here. Like, literally, like I was in that trade for maybe like 20 seconds. Popped for like 450 on Apex. Crazy trade. But then for power hour here, I went ahead and I took the trade that I just showed you guys. But if you're interested, guys, in just pretty much hanging out, subscribe, join the Discord. I just basically started this channel like 2 days ago, so you guys will be the OGs, man. You know what I mean? But much love, man. How many trades I take per day? All right, so I trade the 9:30 open, right? And I give that one opportunity. After the 9:30 open, then I swing a trade intraday, and I give that one opportunity as well. So per day, I'm taking about 2 trades. One is more of a intraday swing, like the one that you saw right here, and I trade the 9:30 open. But that trade is more of a scalp. Damn, like this candle literally tapped that same area that I targeted. Literally that same area. I call this shit out. If you go back on my stream, I'm like, all right, I'm in this trade. It's happened to this OB, and I was targeting that area, but I got out right here, like at $1,200. Hey, it's still a good day. It's still a good day. So we can't complain about that, right? All right, guys. So that's pretty much a wrap for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this stream, but I'm gonna go ahead and leave this. Wait a minute. Let me put this in here. And I'm gonna go ahead and leave this. Go ahead and leave. How do I share my Discord? Let me see. Server boost. No. I believe that my Discord should be in my YouTube. Somewhere in my YouTube. But let me see something. Let me just come here real quick. Alright, invite people. Alright, so this is pretty much the link. Went ahead and copied. So I'm gonna go ahead and post this up here as well. Guys, today was a successful trading day. Alright, today was a successful trading day, so we're gonna go ahead and post this. If you're interested in joining the stream, you know what I'm saying? Here you go, guys. There you go, guys. That is my Discord. Join. My style of trading is around the philosophy of Wu Wei. I don't know if you guys have heard of that, but in Asia, which I pretty much lived in Asia for about a whole year and a half. I lived in Thailand, and when I first got there, I would see people work, and they appeared to literally not be working, but they were doing a lot, you know. But it's just how they went about their work, you know. And then I started having a few conversations with a few Asians out there, and they introduced me to Wu Wei, you know. So I believe in effortless trading. I believe that you could do a lot by appearing to not do anything at all, you know. And how I decided to integrate that into my trade pretty much is by understanding that all we have control of as traders is our analysis, right? Because at the end of the day, all we're really doing is playing the probability and managing our risk, right? So how I decided to integrate that into my actual trading is that once I'm in a trade, I let it go and I let the market do what it does. Now, there are moments where my intuition kicks in as a trader, you know, and it interferes, you know, and that's fine, you know. But for the most part, you know, like the hardest thing that any trader that's beginning has an issue with is getting into a trade, placing a stop, and just letting it play out, right? So Wu Wei has definitely helped me with that tremendously. So if you have time, look into Wu Wei, which is part of the Tao. All right, man. Appreciate that. Stay in touch. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna end the stream now, man. Much love, guys. Peace and love. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. I'm starting this new journey on YouTube, and it's basically to just give back what I've learned, because I believe that if you learn how to trade, you could go ahead and literally make anything happen, and nobody should have an issue in life making money. So that's why I decided to go ahead and start this on YouTube, to go ahead and start putting my work out there. Peace.